This week in Asia, the focus has been on cloud computing. Fujitsu revealed its own global cloud ambitions with plans to roll out services using its own network of data centres, including a new facility in Japan, teamed with its optical networking expertise. Market research firm IDC warned that while Asian companies are increasingly looking at cloud services, different regulatory requirements are becoming major concerns. I spoke with Andrew Knott from cloud computing pioneer Salesforce.com following the opening of his company's first data centre outside the US and its plans to extend reach into the Asia-Pacific market.
Well, I think Salesforce.com is the undoubted leader in enterprise cloud computing. We started some 10 years ago with the vision of the end of software. Our CEO, Mark Benioff, had the simple premise that enterprise software should be as easy to use as the consumer web. But I think it's indicative that some 10 years on, companies as big as Microsoft, who have been the traditional bastions of software, have now seen cloud computing as the way of the future.
You now appear to be competing with the likes of Amazon Web Services and Google. How do you see yourself in a company like this?
Certainly we've done a lot of work with Google in the past. There's been a number of major announcements over the past 2 years. We basically see all of these companies driving the understanding and uptake of cloud computing as a whole, very complementary versus competitive.
Asia was initially quite slow to take up the software as a service challenge, but it seems to have reached a turning point. What was the trigger behind that?
Oh, look, I think the trigger's been the same across the board. I mean, to your point, we now have over 5,000 customers in Asia Pacific. As per our last financial announcement, 11% of our revenue base comes out of Asia. And we're the fastest growing region within Salesforce, in the Salesforce.com world, with around 36% growth last year.
Next week I'll be reporting to you from Jakarta. This is Tony Poulos for Telecom TV in Singapore.